Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. In this video, I wanted to share with you 5 garden seeding ideas for you to consider. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then please hit the red subscribe button down below. Now, one thing I'm trying to do is increase my YouTube subscriber count and increase my watch time hours, because ideally I'd like to be able to monetize this YouTube channel. And the goal is to take even the little bit of income that I make or might make from this YouTube channel and put it towards creating better quality content with better quality materials. Anyway, thank you for being here. Let's do this. The first seeding option, as you'll notice to the far right of the picture, is using boulders as seeding. In this particular case, the boulder is kind of tall, the top of it is flat, and it allows just enough room for one person to be able to sit comfortably, relax, and just take a minute if you need a minute. The second option for seating is a large area to entertain where you have dining tables, couch, love seat. You've got the seats that are behind the barbecue. You've got plenty of space to be able to host your family and friends and just have a good time, throw something on the grill, and be able to really entertain if that's your cup of tea. The third seating alternative is what I like to call the single person seat. It's just enough for one person with a hot cup of tea or coffee, perhaps a glass of wine after a hard day's work, to just chill out, enjoy whatever's left of the sun before it goes away for the night, and just take a minute if you need a minute. The fourth seating alternative is to basically create raised beds in your garden where the cap of the bed is just wide enough to where it creates extra seating for multiple people, especially if you just don't have room for a lot of table and chairs. And lastly, and this is not really a seating idea in terms of a way to add seating to your garden, but it is the idea, if you can, of shopping secondhand. Because you can find a lot of great things, as I have, on Facebook Marketplace that somebody bought that's in really great condition that they just don't want anymore. And you can get it for a lot cheaper than if you bought it full retail.